Are manifestations a biblical sin using the law of attraction? Here is your personal affirmation session to rebuild confidence and faith in big dreams. These thought-provoking quotes are 18 of the best affirmations to magnify focus, persistence and leadership in pursuing a brilliant future. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. The average person living to age 70 has 613,000 hours of life. This is too long a period not to have fun. Todd Horton. 17. Men generally believe what they wish. Julius Caesar. 16. If you want to know what God thinks of money, look at the people he gives it to. Joe Moore. God save me from my friends. I can protect myself from my enemies. Claude Louis Hector de Villars. He that can live alone resembles the brute beast in nothing, the sage in much, and God in everything. Baltasar Gracian. Some weasel took the cork out of my lunch. W.C. Fields. When dealing with the insane, the best method is to pretend to be sane. Hermann Hesse. Both young children and old people have a lot of time on their hands. That's probably why they get along so well. Jonathan Carroll. Youth cannot know how age thinks and feels. But old men are guilty if they forget what it was to be young. J.K. Rowling. It's time to start living the life you've imagined. Henry James. I felt a tremendous sadness for men who can't deal with a woman of their own age. Michael Caine. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Talent and intelligence never yet inoculated anyone against the caprice of the fates. J.K. Rowling. Language is the blood of the soul into which thoughts run and out of which they grow. Oliver Wendell Holmes. I do not regret one moment of my life. Lily Langtry. I'm not afraid of death, I just don't want to be there when it happens. Woody Allen. Some people are always grumbling because roses have thorns. I am thankful that thorns have roses. Alphonse Carr. When your dreams tire, they go underground, and out of kindness that's where they stay. Libby Houston. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.